Okay, so we're gonna attempt to do Rua de Felicidade at night. So let me just see. So I'm just kind of come across here. So we're gonna attempt to go down that way. Our street is here, Rua de Felicidade. This is a historical street, and they're fixing it up. It has a lot of history with the sing-song girls and other things as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk directly down this way, and we're gonna see all these different things that are all along the way. And they have a beer tent in there as well. So I was kind of curious to see what it looks like tonight at nighttime. So so stay tuned, and we're gonna check this all out. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So you can see Rua de Felicidade right there. This is the base of it, and you can see a lot of people coming by to take some photos because it's quite photogenic. And then you can see that it's pedestrian only, 11 until 1. So right now it's still part of the pedestrian street time. I'm gonna walk on down, and I'll try to tell you about it as much as I can. I'm also playing around with some new settings, so I'm going to see if I can film okay at nighttime and how it's going to come out. To the left is Naughty Nuri's. That one is a Indonesian restaurant. I heard it was, somebody told me it was closed. Looks open to me. Yeah, definitely looks open. Probably the best ribs, it says right there on the sign. Okay, so we're gonna see how this all looks. I hope it looks good at nighttime. We got some drinks here. So, got some. Is there gonna be more people later? You think the street would be bigger? More people?
Yes.
Later?
Yeah,
sounds good. I think tonight is a big night for Grand Prix.
Yes, opening.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Opening. So we still have tomorrow until next week.
Until next week? Yeah, sounds good.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then next week will be Thursday to Sunday.
Okay, that sounds good. Thank you. So, okay, so that is the Wynn Casino who's sponsoring this street and also the Grand Prix as well. So you can see some things like the Wynn team right there. And it looks kind of quiet tonight, actually. I thought it'd be a little bit busier than it is. Let me just kind of see what we all got here. Slowly check these all out. So, okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. I don't see quite as many people as I thought we'd have. So, okay. Looks like there's some chairs that are out. This is Julius. They'll play some acoustic music here sometimes. And we got some more of these as well. Hello. It's busy street. So actually, I think this is actually the first night of the Grand Prix event. So, actually, it's I was expecting to be busier, but it's not so busy yet. It's a little bit quiet, but I don't know if it's because it's Friday night. But we'll just keep on going down nonetheless. There was some other events that were here. They had a pedestrian street not too far from here, and that one was a very big event with a lot of people. It was just crazy crowded. So I was expecting it might be similar to that, but it doesn't seem to be that way. Okay. So we're gonna keep on moving down. They do have the chairs, the facilities for it. I just don't know if there's a much I kind of stumbled upon it. I didn't really hear much about it, to be honest. So I was here earlier today. So I wasn't sure what to expect. Just for some history's sake, Rua de Felicidade is known for the sing-song girls that were here historically, and they would be predominantly in these kind of environments right here. So they might be here trying to get people, or they might have been up there trying to call from the window, and then they would bring customers in, and they would be entertainers and different things like that. So that's actually the end of Felicidade Street. So actually, not a whole lot is going on right now. So that's actually our historic street. I think this street they're also gonna do some pedestrian, and down at the end there's a little food court. It's been there a long time. So I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go back up slightly, and I'm going to go down another street called Otto Novo. I think it's called Otto Novo. That's also part of the Win. Basically this casino is going to be pumping in a lot of money into developing the street and making it into more tourist oriented and tourist friendly. So, okay. Guess we'll just keep on moving down. Yeah, kind of quiet. And I'm gonna move back up this way. And we're gonna come back up. Oh, there's a So I think what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go up to the left. Let me just capture that real quick. DJ Kitchen, so they're playing music there. Julius, so they're playing music there. Let's go down this way. And we're gonna end our street. This is gonna be another one of the streets. This is called Travessa de Atero Novo. So Atero Novo, that street above us, and then this plaza up here are all going to be part of the pedestrian zone. And I'll just end it up there. And you'll see the wind references up here as well. So anyways, we're also kind of playing around to see how the camera goes, see if we can film it at nighttime properly. Usually the GoPro doesn't film so well at night, so a little bit of a practice run. And then this also goes up, this is also part of the Wynn Casino, so you can see the reference there with the Grand Prix race car. Oh, they're setting stuff up here too. So maybe later there will be more stuff. Okay. So this is all for the Grand Prix, so they're getting everything ready for the Grand Prix. So anyways, Win. So, okay. So the Grand Prix is coming to town. So actually that street that we were on, they're kind of doing something with the Grand Prix. I think I heard some more cars might be in Sao Paulo ruins, so we might, it's not a square, so we might check that out too. But anyways, okay, so we started up there, which was Rua de Felicidade, and we went down Rua de Felicidade, and we came over by Otto Novo, which is right over there, Atero Nova, sorry. And then now we're just in this little, let me just kind of show you. We came up this street, which is Avenida Almeida Ribera. And then this is the other part where they're gonna have some Grand Prix stuff. So I'm just gonna combine it because I think that those are kind of connected. Then you can also see that they have a Grand Prix thing right there. And then they have this one right here as well. So we're gonna just take a look. I thought they were also gonna have cars in here too. Those might be at Fisherman's Wharf. But this is Grand Prix weekend. And there are some references to it throughout the city. And it'll be this weekend and next weekend. Actually, this looks really quiet today. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna try to highlight this ever so slightly. And I'm gonna come around like that. I just try to capture the full lighting of this whole scene. And then we're gonna go back towards the other streets that we were at earlier, the Rua de Felicidade, and also the but anyways, I'll just kind of pinpoint where those were, and those are basically just up the street there. And I'm also just kind of checking to see the lighting just to see how good it would be for filming with these settings. Okay, let's end it right there. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.